Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Have you ever thought about turning your macrame hobby into a profitable business? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. First things first, let's talk about your passion. Macrame is not just a craft, it's an art form. And the best part, you can make a lot of money doing what you love. So how do you start? Step one, perfect your craft. Make sure your macrame products are top-notch. Take some time to refine your skills. Experiment with different patterns, materials, and techniques. Your products need to stand out in a crowded market. Step two, build your brand. Think about what makes your macrame unique. Is it the intricate designs, the eco-friendly materials? Whatever it is, make it the core of your brand. Create a logo, choose your colors, and develop a consistent style. This will help customers recognize your products instantly. Step three, set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website can help you reach a global audience. Make sure your product photos are high quality. Write detailed descriptions and don't forget to highlight what makes your macrame special. Step four, pricing. It's crucial to price your products correctly. Factor in the cost of materials, your time, and any other expenses. Research what similar items are selling for, but also consider the unique value you bring. Don't undervalue your work. Step five, marketing. Use social media to your advantage. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your macrame. Share behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, and customer testimonials. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Step six, consistency. Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep creating, marketing, and improving your products. Stay consistent with your posting schedule and customer interactions. Over time, your hard work will pay off. Now, let's talk about selling your macrame products. There are several ways to do this. You can sell online through your website or marketplaces like Etsy. You can also sell at local craft fairs, markets, or even pop-up shops. Each sales channel has its pros and cons, so find what works best for you. Another great way to boost your sales is through collaborations. Partner with other artists or influencers who resonate with your brand. This can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility. And don't forget about customer service. Treat every customer like a VIP, respond to inquiries promptly, ship orders on time, and handle any issues professionally. Happy customers are more likely to recommend you to others and become repeat buyers. In conclusion, turning your macrame hobby into a profitable business is totally doable. It takes passion, dedication, and a bit of business savvy. But with the right approach, you can make a living doing what you love. So what are you waiting for? Start perfecting your craft, building your brand, and sharing your beautiful macrame with the world. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on turning your passion into profit. See you next time.